Elizabeth, do you want to share some of your insight and what companies are seeing for 2021 on the financial side?
Sure. So, Tina, we are seeing risks to the business due to the financial implications of the pandemic itself. We are a year and change into all of this craziness. It absolutely has impacted so many companies' financial position. There are challenges being created because companies are now reacting to their position with new and more complex transactions. Companies are either trying to fix it or they're trying to take advantage of it and continue to move forward. So as our companies go through the stress of these transactions, these non-routine events, the financing deals, certain risks will come back into scope. As we've discussed, increases in non-routine transactions increase your audit risk and ultimately the risk of control failure for the company. And I promise you, the PCAOB and external auditors are all over this. The concern here is that while most businesses they do a great job, they rock the day in, day out, block and tackling activities, it's when you start venturing into this potentially uncharted territory of highly complex transactions and accounting events, suddenly the risk of control failure increases exponentially. In fact, the PCAOB has adopted a new inspections approach in 2021 that they believe will enhance the overall unpredictability of their inspections, if that doesn't make all of our lives that much more interesting. Amongst other things, they are focusing on areas with quote unquote continued deficiencies and opportunities for potential improvements. These areas are revenue, accounting estimates, and internal controls over financial reporting. Specifically within ICFR, there continues to be a huge focus on the management review controls and really how the company identifies them for follow-up and then what they do to ensure that the follow-up items were completely resolved. So I'm sure you're saying, how does this impact me, right? So management, this translates into having a better understanding of where your organization stands in terms of the overall project and ultimately the potential for material weaknesses, because that's what we were trying to work our way around. For internal audit, this means that we have to work overtime to ensure that we have got accurate and good communication. While we have Teams and Zoom, we have face-to-face capabilities, although remote, our daily interaction has permanently changed, along with the way we communicate across the entire enterprise. Visibility has been dramatically reduced as well.